Welcome to this wonderful episode in which I'm going to show you how to make a universal USB charger. This USB charger can be used to charge phone batteries, camera batteries, and any other type of battery with so long as it's serving 3.7 volts easily and very quickly, because you're going to charge a battery using 5 volts in which you're going to charge very fast. In most cases it's regulated because this power is going to be got either from a computer or some other USB source. Okay, let's look at the real components that we need to make this experiment. So in this experiment or procedure, when you're going to charge your battery, you may need one of the following. But it's not necessarily have to be with all of them. What you need to be with is, for example, maybe having an old USB wire that is maybe not working. You may use it to get some components. So among my components that I'm going to show you with using this, how you can make this. Among them I have the soldering gun, which is this machine. I'm going to switch it on. Then I'm having a computer which is going to act as my source of the USB power, where I'm going to get my USB power from. I have a multimeter. This machine is used for measuring if electricity is there, or it can be used for other different, but in this case I'm going to use it for measuring electricity. If you are going to have various types of batteries. For my case, I have an HTC battery, I have an Intel battery, I have these are camera batteries. You can use it to charge any other battery of any other sort, so long as it's a charger battery. I have the soldering wire, which are these, are used for fastening or holding the wires in position. I have a male USB hub port. This one, it's the one which is going to help me to connect my charger with the computer. So it's going to harvest the power from the computer to my battery holder, as I'm going to show you. I have the battery holder, which is this one, of which I've already put the wires. Putting these wires very easy. It's just a matter of connecting this wire to these terminals. That one is I'm not going to show you because I've already done it in the backstage before I came here. So among it, on this USB battery holder, I have a red wire. This red wire, I know red is always used to represent positive power, and then this gray is always used for representing, gray or white or black is always used for representing a negative power. So as you continue the procedure, I'm going to show you this female USB, the male USB hub port, this one. It has 4 terminals. There is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So these 4 terminals carry different power. The first and the last terminals carry power, and then these 2 terminals in the middle carry data. For us, our interest here, we are all interested in these last 2 terminals. These last 2 terminals are graded in the way that the first terminal from the other side, when you hold it with these holes facing up, the first terminal from the other side is always negative, and the last terminal on this side facing me, towards me, is positive. So we are going to connect our red wire, which is positive, on the battery holder on this first terminal, and then the gray wire, which is negative, on the other terminal, so such that it can help us to identify which power is going where. And then where we are connecting, when you are connecting our power, our battery, we can know which terminal goes where. So let's connect our USB battery. Oh, before I can continue, I forgot. You may need wires if at all you don't have them. You only have this ready. Like for example, I got this one from an old modem which got spoiled. I no longer need. I got this one because of the value that to me right now. I got it from here. I cut it, and then when I get it, okay, you may be like me. Of course, you don't have the connection of the USB wire. So you may need these wires. You bring out different colors. I have black and yellow. Black, of course, obviously that should be a negative. Then yellow might be showing me the positive. Orange bright colors show the positive part, and then dark colors show the negative color, negative part. So let's go into our procedure. I'm going to connect the USB as I told you. I'll get my wires. This is positive, and I told you the first terminal this side is positive. So I'll connect this one at the positive terminal using my soldering gun, which is this. I'll connect. My wires are there. Then I'll add another one, which goes to this. Is I said is gray. It's a dark color. It's used for negative. It will go to negative as I want it to be. To go to the negative terminal. I think it's also already there. I have connected my USB very well. As I told you earlier on, this is positive, this is negative, and according to this one, they have already labeled it. This side is positive, this one side is negative. These wires go and connect, just a matter of connecting them there. So from there, I'll connect my source of power, the USB power, which for this case I'm using a computer, which is this one. I will connect. I'm connected. I'll bring my multimeter to see if power is coming. I put voltage. This I want it to be below 20. I connect. To showing 5.15 volts which are coming. Yes. Then here I'll bring any type of battery that I want to use. Here I said we have 3 kinds of battery. You have HTC, ITEL, and then we have how many batteries are there. So I'm decided to use the ITEL battery. This one now I'll first show you how much voltage is there. Then from there we shall charge and see will it increase or not. So we shall connect. The 3.47. That's the voltage there. So we are going to put it and see if it can increase more than that. So on this battery, before I put on power, you have to note one thing. This battery has got 4 terminals, among of which 2 are labeled, 2 are not labeled. From this side, I'm seeing positive, which is this. This one is not labeled. Then I'm seeing negative. Then the next one, the last one is not labeled. So the only terminals we use this first one labeled positive, and then the third one labeled negative. It's where our power is going to enter. Oh, these are the ones which are going to make contact with our USB charger. So we go back. Make sure you maintain the polarity. We connect them in parallel. The positive terminal connects the positive terminal of our USB charger, and then negative connects the negative terminal of our USB charger. I come and put. I said it's positive, it's negative. I put it to be careful when you're connecting this one. Make sure that the terminals connect very well. I think I'm now connected well. It's connected. So we don't wait for our battery to charge and increase the volts. We shall be taking through also something very small to see where this place is. So as I told you earlier on, I'm on by names in Mega Aziz, Lab Technician, Thinkcentre, National PREVENTER'S Forum. Here at the National PREVENTER'S Forum, most especially Thinkcentre where I work, we deal in innovations where it includes ICT stuff like innovations, ICT, innovation in the electrical world. So like for this case, I've told you about this USB charger. I don't think there's any one of you who has ever seen about this USB charger. In these fields, we need very many people to come and join us and be part of us when we are making these innovations, because we as well, we don't have all the knowledge that is needed to change our country. We need you all guys who are outside there to come in with all your ideas, knowledge, time, and a lot of money. You can come in for a day, 2 or 3, all permanent staff and be with us. Or you can come in for any time you feel like you can come for training, you can come share ideas and knowledge with other people, because very many people are always here to do different stuff. We have the internet, which you can come and make research on different technological ideas. Have very many things. You guys just have to get time, come around and visit us and be part of us and make such these wonderful innovations and innovation that can help us improve our country and take it to another level and stop depending on other countries in terms of technology. Because we as Ugandans, when we work together as a group, we can change our country. So let's first go back to our battery and see if at all power is increased. Thank you. This is a button I've got from the charger or from our USB charger. I'll test and see how much. Previously the charger was 4.7 volts. So I will charge this. I'll connect to positive terminal and negative terminal. Now here I'm seeing the 3.74, which means the volt has increased by some volts. It was 3.47 last time, but right now it's 3.74 or 74, which means our USB charger is working. It is as simple as that. All these things and other stuff I'm going to bring for you are here in the Thinkcentre. So you guys are just call upon your cooperation. Come and work with us. You can just come and pop up one idea. You can come. Actually, this person, when you come with a better idea, we have all the money there to fund you, and then you take that idea to a best level whereby it can become a commercial consumption for our country, whereby we can improve our technology world in Uganda. And we add value to all the technologies in Uganda. Thank you very much. I have made us Uganda.